Hey guys, if you are looking for a budget photography lighting kit, here is an option for you. This one is called Neewer. I got it from Amazon, and here is everything that came in the box. It is packed in a super compact sleeve. It came with no instructions, but it's super easy to figure out. The bulb obviously goes there, umbrella goes in that slot, and the base fits to the stand. Here is a shot of all three assembled, the mini table stand, two regular stands, and two white umbrellas. Please keep in mind these are not strobe lights but rather continuous lights, and there is a switch at the base so you can individually control these two lights. Here is a quick demo. I have two different speakers, one in red and one in black. I will turn the lights on and off during this recording, and you can clearly see the difference in the video quality. I hope this video helps. If you do like my videos, please subscribe, and thanks for watching.